The best way to enjoy life without worrying about your bank account is when you have a system of passive income pouring in, and you can enjoy living your life every day like you are on a vacation. But achieving that would be nearly impossible, so what can you do? Well, the first thing you can do is not worry and stick to this video till the end, because today I'm going to show you a 100% free bot that can make you hundreds of dollars every day. So without waiting any further, let's dive in. Now, first of all, before I explain you everything step by step, I want to show you that this tool is absolutely free bot is literally trusted by over 10 million people across the world. You don't need a credit card, investment, or anything, because it's absolutely free and no investment is needed at your end. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this website, theclearvoice.com. Right here, you'll be able to make real money. I'm not talking about redeeming points, gift cards, or any of that nonsense. Actual cash. This website has a huge traffic volume with over 500,000 people visiting every month, and even more on a good day, and they come from first world countries like US and UK. Again, you don't have to do anything because the bot I'm going to share with you will take care of everything. But the reason I'm telling you all this is to give you an idea of how big of an operation this is. What ClearVoice actually is a place where companies, business owners, and entrepreneurs come to hire everyday people like me and you to write content for them, to write different articles and blog posts, for which they're willing to pay hundreds of dollars per each article submitted. Now, you don't need any writing skills for this because you'll not be writing anything, and we'll provide you with professional quality articles. Now, just as you land clearvoice.com, if you hover your mouse on Talent Network, you'll see that there are different categories like marketing, finance, health, software, etc. So you have multiple options to write articles on clearvoice.com. Now it's time for you to sign up by clicking on the Join button. The sign-up page is easy and self-explanatory, and you'll be able to complete it in just a minute. By working as a freelancer on ClearVoice, and we'll be specifically focusing on writing articles so you can sometimes get literally paid over $500 per article you write. Now, before we proceed to the free bot, which is going to do all the work for you, I want to show you guys something. Here, not only can you set your own rate and set exactly how much you want to get paid per article. To officially get started and to start making money with ClearVoice, you'll need to go back to your account and you'll need to complete your CV. The next step, you'll need to start using Google. You go over to google.com and you will think of whatever niche you want to focus on. You can see some articles are old and some are updated merely hours ago. Now you can not just copy and paste articles. Now let's quickly move to the bot. So the moment of truth, you guys, the bot I have for you today is called Quillbot, which will make you real cash on ClearVoice. You can basically paste in whatever text you want in this box, and you can even upload an entire document. Click on Paraphrase, and that's just one click of a button, and on the right-hand side, you will have a rewritten original text which you can now use as your own because it's entirely rewritten. You don't have to spend hours to write and learn anything. Just copy articles that you want to sell and rewrite them here, and you are good to go. Quillbot is also absolutely free, then you're limited to 400 characters per submission, which means you'll need to remove one sentence and then add it later. You can do this part by part and repeat this process until you have an entire article rewritten. Now, you can save the rewritten parts in Google Docs and can build your article, and once it's complete, you can download the file on your computer. Now you can go back to clearvoice.com, go to your account, click on Add Content right here, and click on Upload or drag and drop the file. By the way, it's recommended that you add an image for all your articles because they'll be more clickable. To find a suitable but absolutely free image, you can use pexels.com. You can just come over to here to go to the search bar, search for your niche, and find thousands of images. Find the one that suits your article, and boom, you're done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.